In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailchimp account. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just looking to explore email marketing, Mailchimp is a great platform to start with. It's user-friendly and has a variety of tools to help you connect with your audience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be set up and ready to send your first email. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Mailchimp website. If you're already logged in, make sure to log out so you can follow along from the beginning. You'll be greeted with the home page, which houses the login button. Since we're here to create a new account, we'll focus on that instead of logging in. Next up, you're going to want to enter your email address. This should be a business email or one you check regularly, as Mailchimp will send important account information and notifications to this address. Make sure it's one you have access to and check frequently. Following email, you'll be prompted to enter a username. This is how you'll identify yourself within Mailchimp. It's unique to you and can be your name, your business name, or any combination you prefer. Remember, it should be something easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Once your username is set, it's time to secure your account with a password. Your password needs to be strong to ensure your account's security. Mailchimp has certain requirements for this, so follow the prompts to create one that's both secure and memorable. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is usually a good bet. Now that you've entered all your information, it's time to formalize the creation of your account. Look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the bottom of the registration form. Clicking this will take you to the next steps of your account setup process. Upon clicking Sign Up, Mailchimp may send a confirmation email to the address you provided. This is a crucial step, as it verifies your email address belongs to you. Head over to your inbox, look for the Mailchimp email, and click the confirmation link inside. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder, as it sometimes lands there. After confirming your email address, you'll be directed back to Mailchimp, potentially to complete a few more setup steps. This might include setting up your first email list, or filling in additional details about your business. These details help Mailchimp tailor your experience, making it easier for you to get started with your email campaigns. You may also be asked to verify your domain. This is especially important if you plan to send emails from a domain you own, as it enhances the deliverability of your emails. Verifying your domain is fairly straightforward. Mailchimp will guide you through the process, but it involves adding records to your domain's DNS settings. If you're not sure how to do this, you may need to reach out to your domain provider for assistance. Lastly, start familiarizing yourself with the Mailchimp dashboard. It's here you'll create your email campaigns, manage your contacts, view reports, and access all the features Mailchimp offers. Spend some time clicking around to see what's available. The interface is designed to be intuitive, so don't be afraid to explore. Remember, creating your account is just the beginning. The real power of Mailchimp comes from how you use it to engage with your audience. Consider taking advantage of Mailchimp's resources and tutorials to learn how to create effective email campaigns, build your email list, and analyze your results for continuous improvement. That wraps up our tutorial on how to create a Mailchimp account. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. With your new account, you're well on your way to unlocking the potential of email marketing. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.